How to install Cascade Shade. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here's the complete Cascade Shade set, including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Position the roller shade in its installation spot and mark the bracket drilling points. Punch holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the bracket. Clip the head rail to the brackets. Place the roller shade in its installation spot and mark the mounting position. Mark drill points using the bracket. Punch holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the bracket. Clip the head rail to the brackets. Use the back plate of the remote holder to mark the drilling points. Drill holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the back plate of remote holder. Attach the remote holder to the back plate and slide it down. Remote holder installation complete. Mark the mounting position with the pull wand. Secure the bracket to the wall with screws. Pull wand bracket installation complete. Press down on the remote to lower the shade. Press stop to pause movement. Press up to raise the shade. Take off the pull rod and attach its head to the motor cord. Pull the cord once, the shade starts lowering. Pull the cord again, the shade stops moving. Pull the cord a third time, the shade starts raising. The pull cord also allows for easily raising or lowering the shades to the desired position.